Now let's connect your custom domain to the website you built using Spiny Events. To get started, go to the dashboard and from the sidebar, click on Domain Settings. Here you'll see a section where you can add a new domain. Simply type in the domain you want to connect without HTTPS. Then click Add Domain. Once added, your domain will appear at the top of the list. You can now set it as your primary domain by clicking on the star icon next to it. This tells the system that this is the main domain for your event website. If you scroll down, you'll see Domain Configuration Details, where you'll find two options. If you want to use a main domain, like your website.com, use the A record with the IP address 3.96.9.151. If you prefer using a subdomain, like 2025.yourwebsite.com, you can use the C name record instead, alias.spinyevents.com. To update the A record or C name to your domain, log into the platform where you purchased your domain, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger, Dynadot, or Google Domains. In my case, I'm using Dynadot to manage my domain, but the interface will look quite similar no matter which domain provider you're using. From here, just go to the DNS settings for your domain. Then you will see a similar box like these, where you can add the A record or C name. As mentioned earlier, to use the main website like yourname.com, you can create an A record with the IP address 3.96.9.151. Or if you are using subdomain like 2025.yourname.com, then create a C name record and point it to alias.spinyevents.com. Once you've updated your DNS settings, it may take a few hours for the changes to take effect. If your main domain is already used for another website, no worries. You can use a subdomain like 2025.yoursite.com or event.yourwebsite.com. Your previous website will not be affected. After connecting your domain, any updates you make, adding speakers, schedules, sponsors, etc., will automatically appear on your live website. And that's it. Now you have a fully functional event website running on your own domain, powered by Spiny Events.